We recently installed these stairs here at our project in Filandia. It's very important when you're developing a property, you know your costs. Many Americans will come to Colombia and assume that everything is inexpensive and they will get taken advantage of. Let me give you some tips to protect you. This goes without saying, get multiple estimates. Ask the contractor to give you a separate cost for materials and a separate cost for labor. And when the contractor gives you the material cost, tell them you want to see the actual estimates from the suppliers that are providing the materials. Now, a lot of contractors aren't going to like this, but you know what? It's your money and you need to protect your investment. You're in a country where you don't know anything. So if they give you a really low price and you look at the material cost, now you have an idea. Are they skimping on materials? Are they lowering the cost on labor? Where? Be aware that some contractors will charge a premium because of your location. Now, I'm not referring to traveling. What I'm saying is that if you have work in, for example, Manrique, that same work in Poblado, a contractor might try to charge 20 or 30% more. Don't allow that. Let me show you what it actually costs to build these stairs.